So I got a couple new bird feeders. I'm glad because maybe now the squirrels won't get at them. This one's supposed to be squirrel proof. And this one over here is another new one. It's really kind of cute. I like how old-fashioned it looks. And squirrels shouldn't be able to get into that either. Hopefully. So the squirrels managed to take down my new squirrel proof, supposedly, well, squirrel resistant, supposedly, bird feeder. They ripped it right out. I mean, the string's still there, so they didn't pull the string. I don't know what they did. I don't know what they did to break it. I don't even see its hanging apparatus now, so I don't know what they did to break it. Well, I figured it out. That was the hanger. They literally pulled it off. They literally pulled it off of the apparatus, and it fell to the ground, and they figured out how to open it. And now all the seed is gone. And that, look at that thing. That is huge. You know how much seed that is? That was like almost a whole bag of seed. What? They are little pains in my butt. I'm just out here hanging out. Just got done eating my lunch. It is a windy day. It's hot, but it's windy. It's really kind of annoying me. And I'm really annoyed that my bird feeder's broke. It's brand new. And it was supposed to be squirrel resistant. Hello? Yeah. Squirrel resistant, my patootie. They had that down in one day. One day. We just put it up last night. So annoying. Look at this beautiful full moon tonight. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if I can capture it properly. It's a beautiful night out here too. Also, there's raccoons living in my trees and I can hear them now. That's what's been digging up my stuff and taking all my bird seed. Raccoons.